Hey guys, Christian Ellis here with the all-new 22 CE Black Label. I can't wait to show you what all we have in store for this new unit. Let's take a look. In this model, we're going to offer a rear kitchen with a beautiful window overlooking the back. We're going to have upgraded countertops, a black stainless steel sink, and a pull-out faucet. We're also going to have cabinets above the sink and a skylight to give us more natural lighting. Tons of storage continues in the 22 CE with a medicine cabinet and storage below the sink. We're going to give you a nice big countertop, and in the Black Label edition, we're going to have upgraded shower heads. Also in the shower, we're going to have a skylight that's going to provide more natural lighting and extra headspace. In the dinette area, we're going to have a huge window overlooking the campsite. Above the dinette is tons of storage area. We're going to have cabinets above the window and cabinets above the dinette. Across from the dinette is going to be a slide out. This is going to give you that huge feeling inside this unit. We're going to have a premium pantry, 11 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge, and an upgraded couch for this year. Above the couch, we're also going to give you a huge window. At the front of this model is our bedroom area. On both sides of the bed, we're going to offer nice big windows to overlook the campsite, 2 USB ports, upgraded lights above the bed, tons of storage. There's going to be 2 full-size closets on both sides, overhead cabinets, and inside and outside accessible storage. Our 22 CE is going to come equipped with all of our new features for this year. We're going to have a tankless water heater, an upgraded radio system where you're able to control your audio from your cell phone, new ghost lights that are going to show off the Cherokee emblem and our Black Label line, and also it's going to have our new flooring. Coming to the outside of the 22 CE, on our Black Label edition, we're going to have a fiberglass gel coat siding and our frameless windows. At Cherokee, we're going to have exclusive on our premium glass door entry. We're going to have stable steps and an awesome outside entertainment system setup. On the back of the 22 CE, you're going to see a flip down travel rack and a spare tire. We're also going to introduce a roof ladder prep and our backup camera. In our front storage compartment, we're going to have a 30 amp solar charge controller that's going to be hooked up to our 100-watt solar panel on top of the roof. Thank you guys for checking out the all-new 22 CE BL. If you guys have any questions at all, please go to forestriverinc.com/graywolf.